Welcome to our channel. If you're ready to verify your Anchor podcast hosting account and start creating your podcast, follow these straightforward step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit anchor.fm or download the Anchor app from the App Store or Google Play Store to access the podcasting platform. Step 2. Create your Anchor account by clicking Get Started or Sign Up, then provide your email address and create a secure password for your account. Step 3. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Anchor. This email is sent immediately after you create your account to verify your email address. Step 4. Open the verification email from Anchor and click on the confirmation link or button provided. This will redirect you to Anchor and verify your email address. Step 5. If you didn't receive the verification email, check your spam or junk folder, or log in to your Anchor account and look for an option to resend the verification email. Step 6. Complete your podcast profile by setting up your podcast name, description, category, and cover art. This information helps listeners discover your podcast. Step 7. Configure your podcast settings, including your podcast language, explicit content settings, and distribution preferences for various podcast platforms. Step 8. If you plan to monetize your podcast through sponsorships or listener support, you may need to provide additional information such as tax details and payment preferences. Step 9. For sponsorship monetization, complete the additional verification steps required by Anchor, which may include providing your full legal name and tax identification information. Step 10. Once your email is verified and your podcast profile is complete, you can start recording episodes, editing content, and distributing your podcast to major platforms like Spotify and Apple Podcasts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.